Today we are installing a phone mount in my 2022 VB WRX. As you can see, my phone does not fit in the tray below very well. Not good. So we get this mount up here so that it has somewhere to hang out. First thing first, we got to take this piece of trim off here. There's about 6 different plastic fasteners. Just pops right out. Next we're going to take this upper trim piece off. You got to be careful. Once all of the blue tabs are off, you have to slide it to the left. There's those 2 tether pieces, and then it comes out. Now there's 2 Phillips screws. Remove those, and we'll be able to slide the mount behind that trim piece and re-screw those Phillips screws. Pretty straightforward. Once we're done with those 2 screws, we put the trim pieces back on. And we have our phone mount. Link in description. Another good reason to get a phone mount: highway radar.